In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a decorative or pretty border frame on Google Docs. This is a great way to add a little flair to your documents, whether you're creating a personalized letter, an invite, or just want to brighten up your text. Let's dive right in and make sure your document stands out. First, head over to your Google document. You'll want to have it open and ready because we'll be going back and forth a bit. Once you've got your document open, go ahead and open up Canva in a new tab. Canva is an excellent tool for creating custom graphics and design elements, including borders that can really enhance your work. Once you're on Canva's homepage, click on Templates. You're going to type Page Border into the search bar at the top. This will bring up a variety of border designs you can choose from. Feel free to browse through the options until you find one that suits your style or the theme of your document. Once you've found the border design you like, click on it to open it up. Next, you'll want to click on the Customize button. This action will allow you to tweak the design to better fit your needs. You might want to adjust the colors or the size and maybe add some text or elements. When you're satisfied with your border's look, it's time to export it. Click on the Share button located in the top right corner of Canva and then select Google Drive as the destination. This option ensures that your design is saved directly to your Google Drive, which will make it accessible when you return to your Google Doc. Make sure the design properly uploads, and once confirmed, go back to your Google Doc. In your Google Doc, click on the Insert menu in the top toolbar and select Image, then navigate to Drive. Now you should see the border image you saved earlier. Click on that image and then click on Insert to add it to your document. Once your border is in the document, you might notice it's overlapping some text or not perfectly placed. Click on the image and look for the text options. Choose Behind Text, which allows your text to show above the decorative border for a stable layout. Also select Fix Position on Page so the border stays in place regardless of what you do with the text. Finally, you can adjust the size and position of the border by dragging its corners or edges. Make sure it fits just right around the margins of your page. Play around with it until your document looks exactly how you imagined. And there you have it. You've successfully created a beautifully bordered document in Google Docs. Feel free to use this technique to add a creative touch to any of your projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing!